Hello students, today we are going to solve problem set 10 standard 5th. So the first question is what? Subtraction. We are going to do subtraction like minus. Now the first question is 3 minus 7. As we all know that 7 cannot be subtracted from the 3. 3 में से 7 minus cannot be happen. So let's carry from the neighborhood, that is 9. 9 will give carry to 3. Now it will become a 13. 13 minus 7. So the answer is of 13 minus 7 is 6. Right? Now 9 will be 8. 8 minus 4, the answer will be 4. Now it's 2 minus 5. 2 cannot be subtracted from 5. 5 cannot be subtracted from the 2. Let's carry. 12 minus 5, 7. Now it will become 3. 3 minus 8. 8 cannot be subtracted from the 3. Let's carry from 6. It will become 13 and it will become 5. Now 13 minus 8, the answer will be 5. And 5 minus 2, the answer will be 3. So this is our answer of subtraction. Now the second one. 8 minus 9. 9 cannot be subtracted from 8. Let's carry from 5. So it will become like a 18. 18 minus 9, answer will be 9. Now it will be a 4. Now let's 4 cannot be subtracted from 6 cannot be subtracted from 4. So what we are going to do? We are going to carry from the neighbor. But our neighbor is also 0. So how it will be happen? Though now we will carry from 7. But 7 cannot give direct carry to the 4. First 7 will give to the 0. It will become 6. It will give to the 0. Now this will become a 10. Now this 10 will give 1 to the 4. So it will be 9 and it will be 14. 14 minus 6, the answer will be 8. 9 minus 4, answer will be 5. 6 minus 3, the answer will be 3. And 3 minus 2, the answer of this question will be 1. So this is our answer of second question. Now go for the third one. That is 0 minus 8. 0 minus 8. 0, 8 cannot be subtracted from the 0. So let's carry from 4. So it will be 3. It will be 10. 10 minus 8. Answer will be 2. Now 3 minus 2. The answer will be 1. 5 minus 6. 6 cannot be subtracted from 5. So in this situation, let's carry from this 2. It will become 15. और जब ये 1 यहाँ चला गया, so this number will be 0. Now 15 minus 6, the answer will be 9. Now this will, as this 1 is given to the 15, now this 1 has become the 0. Now 8 cannot be subtracted from 0 again. So what we will do? We will just carry from 7 to this. Now this is become a 10. Now 10 minus 8, the answer will be 2. 7 has given 1 to the 0, so this number has become already 6. 6 minus 5, answer will be 1. Now next is 2 minus 7. So as you all know, 7 cannot be subtracted from the 2. Let's carry from 3. So this is 12. 12 minus 7, 5. 3 given 1 to the 2, so it will become a 2. Now 4 cannot be subtracted from 2. Let's carry from 4. Now this is 12. This is 3. Now 12 minus 4, answer will be 8. 6 cannot be subtracted from 3. Let's carry from the neighbor. But our neighbor is also 0. So what we are going to do? Let's carry from 5. So 5 first will give to the 10. Now 0 को देकर ये 10 बन गया. अब इससे यहाँ पे 1 पे जाएगा. ठीक है? ऑलवेज रिमेंबर 5 से 3 पर कैरी डायरेक्ट नहीं जाएगी. दिस इज़ इम्पॉसिबल केस. आप 5 से डायरेक्टली 1 यहाँ पे 3 को कैरी नहीं दोगे. आपसे 5 को पहले यहाँ 0 को देना पड़ेगा, उसको 10 करना पड़ेगा और यहाँ से हमारा कैरी 13 पे जाएगा. ठीक है ना? 10 से एक कैरी यहाँ पे चला गया तो ये बन जाएगा 9. Now 13 minus 6, the answer is 7. 9 minus 8, the answer is 1. And यहाँ पे 5 ने 1 0 को दिया था तो 5 हमारा 4 हो गया था. 4 minus 4, answer is 0. So like this way students, we have solved our problem set 10.